So dear students, we will see Tower of Hanoi today. In our last section we have seen the process of Tower of Hanoi. Now we will implement it. Now as we said, there are totally 3 pegs in every Tower of Hanoi game and we have to move the discs from A to C. And the rules are, we can shift one disc at one time. We cannot place larger disc on the smaller disc. And we have to shift the discs from A to C. So starting with that, we are having these 3 discs. 1 is smaller, 2 is somehow bigger and 3 is the biggest. We have to move these 3 discs to A to C. So one by one we have to move. Initially this is the condition. So in first step we will move disc from A to C. Our first process is A to C. Means it will become, now we are having this 3, then 2, this is A, then this is B as it is, and this is C. This is C, where the smaller one disc is present. So here are the discs 2 and 3, and initially A is moved to C, means first disc is moved to C. Now this is 1. In our second step we will move this disc 2 to the B peg, means the movement will be from A to B. So here it will be peg 3, A, peg A. In peg A 3 number disc is there. In peg B number 2 disc is present, and in peg C we are having the number 1 disc, means smaller is present at C, bigger is present at B, and the biggest is present at C. Now in the third step we will move the disc from C to B, means it will be C to B. So A will be as it is, it will have the third number of disc as it is. We are having B, where your second number disc is present, and as we are moving the disc from C to B, so here it will be first number. Here is your B and your C is blank. This is our third step. Now in fourth step we will move the third disc to C. So it will be A to C. So the fourth number is A to C. Now we are having A, B, C. As we are moving A to C, A is blank, B is having the 2 and 1 disc, and we are moving the disc to C, that is 3. So this is our fourth number stage, where we have moved this A to C, and this is as it is. Now in our fifth number stage we will move this first disc to A. So it will be B to A. So in A we are having disc 1, which is the smallest disc. This is the disc 1. In B we are having nothing, because we are moving the disc from B to C, so it will be blank. In C we are having the third number of disc, and we are placing this second number of disc over here. No, initially when we are moving from B to A, so we are moving this to this, so in B second number will be present over here, first number is present over here, and third number is present over here. So in 6 now it will be B to C, where we will be moving the disc 2 upon the 3, that is we will make the movement between B to C. So it will be B to C, A will have the disk 1. Now we will have nothing because we are moving the disk 2 to C, and C is having 3 and 2 disks. So in the sixth step we are having first number in A, B is blank and C is 2 and 3. Now this is the last step where we will be moving the smaller disk on this, that will be movement from A to C. So A will be blank as we are moving A to C. B is already blank, and C we are having number 3 disk, number 2 disk, and we are moving from A to C, that is nothing but 1. So we are moving 1 over here. So this is A, B and C. So in this way we have shifted all the disks from A to C. This was our initial stage where A peg having all the 3 disks, and by using the rules in our last 7th number we have moved all the disks from A to C. That is nothing but Tower of Hanoi. Thank you.